Good morning again, and may peace be upon you all. In my previous video, we solved one question, and one question is remaining. And this is the continuation of previous video, last video which I uploaded just now. So let's move to the question. We'll see how to solve this question. And if you do not subscribe channel yet, I request all of you to subscribe the channel, Amir sir and Asghar sir. So whenever we upload the new video, you will get notified. Now let's start. Question is, if the length of the rectangular field is 1 more than 2 times its breadth. So we'll consider breadth as x, then we'll write what will be the length. See here. Suppose breadth of the rectangular field is x. Suppose breadth of the rectangular field is x. I'll write here. Suppose breadth of the rectangular field is x. We don't know length of the rectangular field and we don't know breadth of the rectangular field. Both we don't know, and we consider breadth as x. Now one condition is given. Based on that condition, we have to write the length of the rectangular field. Condition is, if the length of the rectangular field is 1 more than 2 times its breadth. Length is 1 more than 2 times its breadth. This is important. This sentence we have to convert in the mathematical form. Convert this sentence into the mathematical form. Now see here, length is 1 more than 2 times its breadth. 2 times its breadth means 2 into x. 2 times its breadth, 2 into x, and 1 more means plus 1. When you convert the sign, when you convert the sentence in the mathematical form, you can use plus sign. For greater also you can use plus sign. For increase you can use plus sign. For decrease, for less, you can use minus sign. Keep in mind. So here word is more, so we use plus sign plus 1. Now let's solve the question. Breadth of the rectangular field is x. Now length of the rectangular field will be 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Now area of rectangular field is given in the question. Area of the rectangular field is 91 meter square. Area of rectangular field is equal to 91 meter square. We know area of the rectangular field is length into breadth, which is equal to 91 meter square. Now L, length is how much? 2x plus 1. Length is 2x plus 1. And breadth is how much? It is x. We consider breadth as x. Into x is equal to 91. Now open the bracket by multiplying x with both the values. X into 2x and x into 1. X into 2x is 2x square. X into 1 is x. Now transfer 91 to left hand side. It is in plus. When you transfer, it will be minus. 91 is equal to 0. Now this is converted in the form of quadratic equation. We have to solve this equation by factorization to find the value of x. I am solving it here. We know in factorization first we have to multiply coefficient of x square with the constant. 2 into minus 91 will give you minus 182. Same thing, write on one more time and write coefficient of x here. Coefficient of x is 1. It will be here. Now you have to select the two numbers such that when you multiply those two numbers, it should be minus 182. And when you add or subtract, it should be 1. So when those two numbers are 14 into 13, and it should be, and numbers are plus 14 and minus 13. When you subtract plus 14 minus 13, you will get plus 1. For minus 182, you have to select the two numbers such that product of those two numbers should be minus 182, and by using the same numbers, not different number, by using the same numbers, you should get plus 1. By adding or subtracting, you should get 1. So by using these two numbers, plus 14 minus 13, I am getting plus 1. So these two values we have to put here in place of x, and those two numbers should be written in the form of x only. 2x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 91 is equal to 0. Now in these two values, 2 is common in both, and also in these two values x is common in both. 2 is common, also x is common. If 2x is the common, only x is remaining here. Plus x is common, which is outside the bracket. Now when you divide 14 by 2, 7 will remain. Now in these two values, minus 13 is common. If you take minus 13 common, here x will remain plus 7 is equal to 0. Now x plus 7 is common in both. X plus 7 is common. What is remaining? 2x minus 13. 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now we have to equate both the bracket to 0. X plus 7 is equal to 0, comma 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. When you transfer the plus value, it will become minus. So it will be x is equal to minus 7. When you transfer the minus value, it will become plus. 2x is equal to plus 13. Now x is equal to 13 divided by 2. So this is the value of x. So we got the breadth of the rectangular field is equal to 13 by 2. Now we can write the length of the rectangular field if we know the breadth of the rectangular field. I am writing. First I will write breadth. Breadth of the rectangular field. Breadth of the rectangular field is equal to 13 by 2. As we know, if we got two values, minus value should be neglected, can be neglected, okay? And we have to consider the positive value. So we consider the positive value. Breadth of the rectangular field is 13 by 2. Now length of the rectangular field is equal to, length of the rectangular field is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. 2 into value of x is how much? 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, it cancel. 1 into 13 is 13. This plus 1 as it is, answer is 14. So this is 13 by 2 meter square and this is 14 meter square. So this is how we have to solve this question. I request all the students that you have to solve this question 3 times to become perfect at this. Okay? I hope you understood the solution. If you have any doubt in the first one out of book question or second one out of book question, this question, you can write in the comment section whatever doubt you have. I will solve the doubt, inshallah. With this, we end this class. Thank you very much for listening.